So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sapna and in today's video I'm going to create this a very colorful eye look and I hope you love this awesome makeup tutorial. And without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, I'm applying this Maybelline concealer which is in the shade 10 light and I'm applying it onto my eyes. And then with the help of a beauty blender, this is from Color Bar, I'm just going to blend it. Sun is changing its positions, that's why lighting में हमेशा difference आता है. So don't just think कि मैं कोई filter apply करती हूँ. I try my best to do in a natural light. Now as you can see, I have blended my concealer to create a base onto my eyes. You can use any kind of concealer. It's not like you have to use Maybelline concealer, but I would recommend Maybelline concealer because मेरी eyes पे तो like easily set हो जाता है. फेस का थोड़ा मुझे रहता है कि लाइट कवरेज है, इसलिए मैं उसे फेस पे बहुत कम इस्तेमाल ही करती हूँ. प्रेपिंग माई आईज, it's very great. So I would highly recommend Maybelline concealer only. Today I'll do a very colorful look by using my colorful palette from Makeup Revolution, which is the Reloaded Marvelous Mattes palette, and I really love this palette. I have used a lot of colors from this palette because all the colors have a great pigmentation level. Makeup Revolution के हर palette में pigmentation level एक अलग ही किस्म की होती है. I guess मैं किसी और palette को इतना नहीं पसंद करती हूँ इस वक्त जितना मेरे को Makeup Revolution के palettes पसंद आते हैं. 4 मेरे पास palettes हैं एंड उन चारों के मैंने रिव्यू कर रखे हैं, सो आपको आई बटन पे लिंक मिल जाएगा. यू कैन चेक आउट देयर. नाउ यूजिंग दिस पैलेट फ्रॉम मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन, आई एम गोना गो यूजिंग दिस ऑरेंज शेड ऑन माय आई ब्रश. मैं ये हल्का सा ऑरेंज शेड ले रही हूँ एंड एक्सेस डस्ट ऑफ करके मैं अपने आउटर कॉर्नर्स पे जा रही हूँ, सिर्फ आउटर कॉर्नर्स. कीप इट वेरी लाइट एंड वेरी सेटल राइट नाउ. You can see how light shade I have created onto my outer V and little bit onto my crease. So now for my lid, I'm using this Maybelline concealer again and I'm taking a flat brush to do a cut crease. I'm putting this concealer onto my lid. And now I'm taking a fluffy brush and उसपे मैं ये yellow bright shade ले रही हूँ. एक्सेस डस्ट ऑफ करके मैं इस पे पुट करूंगी. As you can see, I have put it the yellow color too. Now I'm going back on the same orange color. हल्का सा डस्ट ऑफ करके मैं इसकी आउटर कॉर्नर्स पे जाऊंगी जिससे कि ब्लेंड हो जाए. Now as you can see, my eyes are totally done. Let's quickly jump onto my face makeup. For doing my skincare, I'm using my favorite moisturizer from Joy. This is the Skin Fruit Moisturizer and I really love this. It's quite amazing. इसकी smell बहुत अच्छी है. इसका moisturization level भी बहुत अच्छा है. Also never forget your neck for applying any sort of moisturizer and foundation too. Now I'll just leave it to set. I'm using this Vega eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. And after that I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara in the Easy Wash. I am going to apply fake eyelashes, that's why I'm just applying one coat of this mascara. So one coat is good enough. I guess कि moisturizer set हो चुका होगा, लेकिन फिर भी I'll give it 5-10 seconds more and I'm applying this Vaseline lip balm onto my lips to moisturize my lips. After that, I'm applying this Bioderma Sebum Pore Refiner. I'm not going to apply sunscreen today because there is no sun outside and also it's quite rainy and I have to go outside, so that's why. It's your choice. If you want to, you can, but today I just don't want to. I don't feel to apply that, so that's why I'm not applying it. I'm jumping on to the Sebum Pore Refiner, which you can say primer. Bioderma का ये product बहुत अच्छा है, miniature product है, पिया package में आया था, and that's why I'm using this. I just want to try and test it out, but ये जिस दिन से मैंने first day से ही लगाया मुझे तब से ही अच्छा लगता है, and I'm sure I'm going to buy the bigger variant of this, but I'm just applying the smaller ones because they have a lot of quantity in that. You can see the automatically my T-zone is shining my cheeks are shining, my chin is shining, and I just love this product. Dermatologically tested है, no harmful chemicals. I really just love everything about this product. So I guess the primer part is also over. Jumping onto my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory, and मैं इसका थोड़ा सा ही लूँगी because मेरे को आज ज़्यादा हेवी मेकअप नहीं करना है. आईज ऑलरेडी बहुत कलरफुल लग रही हैं. So मैं हल्का सा पहले अपने स्किन पे डॉट्स बना दूंगी. Don't worry, my hands are totally clean. And after that जो हल्का सा बचा है उसे अपने नेक पे अप्लाई करना. I told you that don't forget to apply anything, moisturizer, sunscreen and your foundation onto your neck because this should not look very different from your face. Okay, अगर ये और ये मैच नहीं करेंगे then there is no point of doing the foundation too. Now I'm blending it out with the help of a beauty blender from Colorbar. डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको सारे लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक आउट देयर. ऑल्सो यू कैन बाय एनीथिंग फ्रॉम Colorbar. 1000 बारी बोला है. You can use my pro code and get 20% off each and every time whatever you buy from Colorbar's website. Keep dapping and smoothly. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श हो जाए क्योंकि ब्लेंड ही आपका मेकअप फ्लॉलेस दिखा सकता है. ब्लेंडिंग इज अ मस्ट इन दी मेकअप. नाउ द फाउंडेशन पार्ट इज ऑल्सो ओवर. आई गेस इट हैज़ ब्लेंडेड टू माई स्किन वेरी नेचुरली. अब मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ ये LA गर्ल का प्रो कंसीलर. इट इज़ इन दी शेड नेचुरल. आई रियली लव दिस कंसीलर बट आई डोंट यूज़ दिस अ लॉट बिकॉज लाइट मेकअप रखना चाहिए इनफैक्ट सर्दियों में भी. एंड इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू अ पार्टी तो then this concealer is a must have, but for other days I would suggest to go with Maybelline or with Swiss Beauty Wet n Wild Insight. They are also good. This concealer is quite expensive. It is around 650 or 60 I guess. That's why I don't feel using this concealer a lot. I just apply the Maybelline concealer a lot because it gives coverage a little bit only, like medium to sheer, but it is great actually. The LA Girl Pro Concealer actually gives a very great coverage. I am not denying that. It is worth to buy product, but if you are going to do makeup day to day, if you are a college going girl, so you don't have to buy this concealer. Then you can use the Maybelline concealer also. It is great. So I'm blending it out. Trust me, it gives a very good coverage, but I guess it is still in the pricey side. Now the concealer is also blended and I have to quickly bake it because this concealer is actually going to freeze under my eyes. So for baking this concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light. ये powder जो है इन concealers पे वर्क करना पड़ता है, इनकी स्टे के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आप Maybelline का कंसीलर यूज कर रहे हैं तो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि गो फॉर दी मेगा ग्लो कॉन्टोरिंग पैलेट ऑफ वेट एंड वाइल्ड बिकॉज उसके अंदर एक कॉन्टोर शेड एंड एक बनाना पाउडर आता है एंड दैट इज अ ग्रेट कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर एक्चुअली जो कि आपके कंसीलर को सेट रखेगा, जो कि हल्का है. I really love this loose powder. I guess this is also very expensive, but this is a really worth buying product. So I love using this particular powder. So मैं अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर पे मैंने बेकिंग के लिए तो छोड़ दिया है, बट मैं थोड़ा सा लेके एंड हल्का सा टैप करके अपने फेस पे जहाँ जहाँ मैंने अप्लाई किया वहाँ पे मैं इसे अप्लाई कर दूँगी जिससे कि मेरे फेस सेट रहे, क्योंकि मैंने कंसीलर अप्लाई किया है अपने फेस पे. Now, जब तक ये बेक हो रहा है, I would love to complete my eyes. That I'm using my favorite eyelashes from Nykaa, which is the OTT Drama Volume Plus Length Plus Intense Lashes. I really love Nykaa's eyelashes. I think that they are quite affordable and worth buying. मैंने बताया था कि आपको लैशेस कैसे निकालनी है. ऐसे आपको देखना है कि कौन सा आपकी राइट आई का है, कौन सा आपके लेफ्ट आई का है, एंड उसके बाद इसे ऐसे फोल्ड करके बस हल्का सा आप इससे दबा दीजिए एंड दे आर गोना कम ऑफ ऑन इट्स ओन. सी, सो दिस वन इज़ फॉर माई राइट आई. तो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मिस क्लेयर की डार्क टोन में फेक आई लैशेस ग्लू एंड इसके आउटर कॉर्नर्स में ज़्यादा लगाऊंगी बिकॉज यहाँ से बहुत ईजिली आपकी लैश निकल सकती है. देन हल्का सा बहुत अपने आई लैश के बीच के पार्ट के लिए. Now I'm leaving this eyelash for 30 seconds and तब तक मैं अपनी eyebrows कर लूँगी I guess. जब तक 30 seconds के लिए मैंने अपनी वो एक eyelash रखी है right eye की, तब तक मैं right eye की eyebrows ही complete कर लेती हूँ. तो I'm using this Nykaa's Brow Chica Wow pencil in the shade 01 Coven Coco. I'm using this spoolie to just brush up my brows. My brows aren't done. I have to get rid of the excess hair, so I have to go to my parlor दीदी. But मैं हल्का सा fill out करूँगी because my brows aren't done and I don't know कि shape कहाँ जा रही है. And मैं इसे दोबारा से brush कर दूँगी. So I guess the right eye is totally completed. I'm using the fake eyelashes. Put it first of all here on the middle part of my eye, and now I'm gonna set it. My eyes look quite dramatic, and I'm gonna go off camera and going to go my left eye, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna dust off my bake. So for blush, I'm using this ColourBar Cosmetics blush in the shade 002 Veiled Merlet. I really love the blush and the quantity of this blush. Also, this can slip into your pockets very easily. Very travel friendly, I must say. And just go onto your cheeks, little bit onto your temples, and come back to your apple of your cheeks. As I said that if you want to buy any ColourBar product, you can use my pro code and get 20% off. My pro code will be provided in the description box, so you can check out there. I have applied the ColourBar blush also, and now I'm jumping onto my favorite part, which is the highlighter, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm taking this kind of a brush and picking up this highlighter. This has a very great pigmentation. On a plain flat brush, I'm gonna take the highlighter and I'm gonna go onto the bridge of my nose, taking the same highlighter and putting it onto my brow bones. So as I told that I'm gonna do something for my eyes is that I'm gonna put this mascara onto my lower lashes. And now I'm gonna put this white kajal from Wet n Wild. Trust me, I'm a sucker of a white kajal. I really love white kajal. I love kajals. I love playing with colors. I love how it opens my eyes. Now for my lips, today I'm going to use the ColourBar Cosmetics Matte Me As I Am Lip Crayon. This is a great shade from ColourBar Cosmetics. This shade is Leap 013 and I really love this shade. I have used a lot, as you can see. And yeah. I don't feel that this shade is going with this eye look, so I guess I'm gonna mix it with some another shade. I guess I'm gonna take the Sugar Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade 12 Dawn Fawn, and I'm just gonna take this lip color. Yeah, I guess this color goes. I don't mix my lipstick a lot, but it works. Actually, it looks great. Now again, on a flat brush, I'm using the same Maybelline highlighter onto my Cupid's bow. And yeah, this look is completed. I would just go off camera and do my hair and I'll be right back. So I am back again and this whole look is also completed. I guess I have loved this makeup look a lot. I am very happy with the eye makeup. I was expecting a little here and there that कि कुछ खराब हो सकता है as usual, but कुछ नहीं हुआ. I really love this eye look. This is quite a colorful eye makeup tutorial and I hope you love this video. And if you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share and comment on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Put the bell notifications on. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram handle, then please do follow me on my Instagram handle, which is Sapna2000Prohit. And I'll hope I'll see you in my next video. Until and unless then, bye.